Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So today I want to go over the parking lot sale that's happening in June. I previously did a video on the leak of this, and now the physical flyer is actually out, and it doesn't look like anything has changed. But let's kind of go over it and see what's in here, and what the good deals are going to be this time around. So let's start off over here with the timeline. So Monday, June 1st is going to be for ITC members, and then Friday, June 5th for everyone else, and then going all the way through June 7th. So, a few things I'm going to say here are what I say on every one of these sales. The first one is most of the things in the yellow, the deals are just kind of just decent. They're deals that they have pretty much every single, other week or so. So nothing too crazy up there. And the other thing is that any item that I see that the normal price is less than $19.99, unless it's over 30% off, which this one is obviously, then I'd be excited about it. But anything below 30% off, usually I'll wait for that sale to happen, then. Now, let's kind of get started here with the top portion, the yellow portion. So, when it comes to here, there are a couple of decent deals. They're gloves, solid gloves, especially when they're 50% off. Good time to stock up if you guys are looking to do so. These guys, not a bad deal for 50% off, but these guys, honestly, they give them out for free, a few times a year, and that's usually when I pick them up personally. And then same thing with the ammo box right over here. They'll usually give that out for free with a purchase. I think they had it just last weekend, if I remember correctly. Let's kind of go on over here. So the percent off deals are usually the ones that are going to be the best deals that they have. This one right here, I think, is going to be the one that's going to get people lining up for it. 35% off of all icon sets. Obviously, their icon sets went, the wrench sets at least went viral when they beat the snap-on sets, both on the truck with that one plastic nut challenge, and then also when they're on the torque test channel showing that they are very, very close to snap-on for a fraction of the price. So I think these things are going to go very, very quickly. I have most of the sets that I want, but there's still one set that I want that every time I go, it happens to be sold out whenever they're having a sale. So hopefully they'll have them this time around. We got 30% off of welding products. We got 30% off of all Doyle professional tools and equipment. They recently did come out with some diagnostic tools, multimeters, things like that. I definitely want to kind of check that out. That might be a good time for the 30% off. As far as other things, some of the the pliers and things like that, those will usually go for 35 to 40% off on other sales. So unless you really need it, you might want to hold off to save a little bit of money. But 30% off is still not that bad of a deal. And then obviously you got right here all of these Grants products, great for cleaning. I have the steamer. The wife wanted me to pick that thing up. It works really well. Steam lasts for a solid 20-30 minutes if you guys want to clean things without chemicals. And they're microfiber cloths, and they're regular cloths are a staple. In my business, I buy those whenever we need them, and I'll go pick them up whenever they're having them giving out for free as well. Bauer starter kit, $99 with a free tool. I've actually come to really like the Bauer tool setup. I use the Milwaukee M18 for the stuff that are the workhorses that we use day in and out, like the drill and impact and things like that. But some of the other tools that we don't use that often, we've gone to Bauer. And one of the things I really like about them is that the batteries tend to be relatively cheap compared to other things. So if you guys get into that system, I think it's a good reason to have it, so that way we can have a ton of batteries always charged and not have no worry about it. So something to consider. Down here, it looks like we got a few storage, on the front. Now, one thing I want to kind of mention is, all these red dots right here. Now, I've been told in the past by one of the commenters that the red dot basically says, it's the best deal that it's ever been. But in my experience, and I had a commenter say this on my leak video, this one, for example, usually goes down to $179, but it's still in a red dot. So I'm not sure what's up with that. If you, work for Harbor Freight, or if you know why sometimes the red dot shows a price that's not the lowest that we've seen it recently, please let me know. My kind of conclusion is maybe it's the new lowest price going forward, that we're not going to see it go back down to $179. But either way, $199, solid deal for the 5-drawer cart. I've had one of these guys. Oops, sorry about that. My light just turned off. I've had one of these guys for many years. It's treated me very well. I still have the Series 2. I'm not sure what's going on with this. One second, guys. I have the Series 2, and it's lasted me, a very, very long time. The Series 3 is a little bit nicer, so anytime it's sub $200, not a bad deal to go for. Then we have the mini one. Again, like I kind of mentioned at the top of the video, since this thing is less than 20 bucks, a lot of times you'll be able to get it for a little bit cheaper than that. But if you've been looking for this, you know, they're very, very useful. I have a few of them lying around the garage and the house. So kind of going from here, I'm not going to go through every single deal. You guys can kind of see what's there. Just want to kind of mention things that I think are kind of interesting. So, you know, we have, you know, the fans, we have the compressors, we have the generators and the winch. The Icon meme tool set, $59.99, not a bad price. Again, sometimes this thing will go a little bit cheaper. I think it's around like 52 is what I've seen, or 49. But at 59, not a bad price for, you know, a full kind of 1/4-inch socket set. Going on down to the yellow section here. Again, I'm not really seeing too much to write home about over here. So let's go ahead and move to the inside page. That is going to be right here. So they recently had, you know, a better deal on the Braun lights, and a lot of times these things will actually go for 50% off, so they're $14.99. But again, sub 20 bucks, not a bad deal. The adapter sets, again, this is something else that they give out for free, you know, a few times a year. And sometimes they'll even give out the Icon ones, which they just recently had, which are, I think, even a better quality than this guy. So, but if you need it, I mean, sub $3, you can't really go wrong just to toss it in a toolbox. And then it looks like we got a few socket holders if you guys are looking for organization. Next up, we got more US General storage. Up here, we have the 72-inch. You know, I'm kind of vocal in saying that I think the 56 is the best deal that they have, hands down. Just price for kind of what you're getting. You're almost better off buying two 56s than a 72, but that's just my opinion. Then you got the 42-inch right over here if you're limited on space. But either way, I think they're great quality. I've had my 56 now for probably about a year and a half or a little bit longer. It's treated me very well. I was thinking about the Icon, but honestly, for my garage, this has worked out perfectly. And then I also picked this guy up not that long ago. It was a little bit cheaper than this, $450, but sub 500. I think this thing is a great deal. And especially for the people out there that do the hack with the 2 5-drawer carts and make them a 10-drawer cart, I think you're better off getting this guy. Just a lot more storage overall. Seems very, very high quality. Honestly, seems a little bit higher quality than the 5-drawer cart, in my opinion. It's kind of closer to the regular storage than it is to their carts, which, you know, the quality seems a bit different. Next up, we got a bunch of jacks over here. Daytona jack. I think this one was just a little bit cheaper. I think it was in the 80s, but sub $100, still a solid jack. And then we have these guys. Unfortunately, it looks like these jacks keep kind of going up and up in price, you know, with every single sale that I see, or at least their max harbor freight price keeps going up. So it's one of those things where if you're looking to buy a jack, it might be time to kind of hop on it before prices continue to go up. And then, you know, down here, again, I'm not going to go through too many of this stuff, although this guy right over here is a pretty good deal. The Quinn Master Set, the 1/2-inch. Sorry about that. The Quinn, the 1/2-inch drive master socket set. I just picked this thing up. I think it was a little bit cheaper than this, but not by much. Great set. I really do like it. You know, Tools and Twisties did a comparison with this versus the Icon impact sockets, and you know, he kind of came to the conclusion that this is the better option, and I tend to agree with him as well. And then again, we got a few more items on this page if you guys want to kind of take a look at that. And again, nothing I see over here that's too crazy. This thermometer does work really well. I've had this thing for a couple of years, and you know, works very, very well. Let's go to the other inside page here while we are here. Give me 1 second. Up here, we've got a lot of kind of air compressor accessories. If you guys are, you know, looking into that, you got the hex set. This is a great one for a go bag. I have these in pretty much every one of my go bags. And speaking of air compressors, again, a lot of air compressors and a retractable hose reel. And then we got some Hercules tools. Looks like the Hercules, they're doing the same thing as they're doing for the Bauer, you know, on the front page. Starter kit for $119 with a free tool. Part of me wishes I would have gotten into the Hercules line, but honestly, the Bauer line has treated me very, very well. Moving on down, speaking of Bauer, we got, looks like a couple pressure washers over here, corded impact wrench, and then a polisher slash sander, and then some more welding accessories and things like that over here. And again, in the yellow, nothing too crazy. You know, this is a great kit to get. You know, I've had this thing for a while. Let me get this out of the shadow. You know, because I tend to break these things when I am removing them, unfortunately. So it's nice to have a huge selection that you can just toss right in, so you're kind of confident when you're taking it out that if you break one, that it's not going to be that big of a deal. So let's go ahead and move on to the last page. And as we are moving on to the last page, again, I haven't seen any differences from the leak to this guy. And so over here again, we got in the yellow, a couple of interesting deals. This guy, great to pick up, especially, I stock up on them when they're, sub $4. I think this is a great deal. We use a lot of these, for the business. The heat gun, if you guys are looking just for a heat gun that you use kind of every once in a while and you don't need a cordless one, then $10 can't go wrong. And then let's kind of go through the rest of this stuff over here. We have, a bunch of generators if you guys are looking for something like that. Engine, pressure washer, auger, things like that. So I'll let you guys kind of take a look there to see if anything kind of catches your fancy. And then let's look at the last portion right over here. Looks like we have a few kind of outdoor things. If you guys are looking for any of this stuff right here, shelf, you have the hand truck. I bought a couple of these, one personally for home and one for the business. Work really well, can't really complain. It's a dolly, works like a dolly. I've been taking some very heavy things with it, and I've never had any issue with it whatsoever. Although sometimes it will go for a little bit cheaper, but honestly, it's nice to have, when you need to move stuff around. And again, here kind of on the bottom part of this page, nothing too crazy, kind of similar to everything that we tend to see in these yellow deals. So let's go ahead and go back to the first page, kind of where we started. And again, here's what we got. So June 1st all the way through June 7th. And, for something like this, especially if you guys are looking for the more common sets that people tend to pick up very quickly, you might want to think about having an ITC membership just so you can be on there on June 1st. I know I'm going to try to hop in there and try to get the metric stubby ratcheting wrenches. Those are kind of the ones that I'm missing from my collection at the moment. But tell me, what are you guys planning, or what are you guys planning on picking up from the sale, or is this nothing look too interesting to you? So please leave your comments down below. Please like, subscribe, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching.